and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing some house projects, but I wanted to share with y'all first this smoothie that I have been loving. I've shared it with y'all over on Instagram. So I just get a mixture of fruit, some coconut water. Y'all let me know if y'all know a better coconut water. I use my Young Living collagen. I've been taking this every day. This smoothie is like my favorite thing to look forward to every morning. And then I use a half of a banana. And I've been doing this every day for over a week, every morning, and it is so good and refreshing. And I love doing the collagen. We all know collagen has been like a big hit with everybody. It's been like so popular, but you have to be careful with what collagen you're getting. There's some, you can even get it like TJ Maxx and stuff, but you want to make sure that you're getting the real deal and not just some junk. If you get the real deal, then it really does help. And so I'm excited to see what difference it makes whenever this first container finishes out. And I'm planning on doing this. I would like to do it every day of the year, but you know how that goes. You kind of get off your health routine. So we'll see how long I can keep taking this collagen, how long I can keep making these smoothies and keep it up. But hopefully I can for several months. So here it is. I will try to link this blender down below because I really do love it. I've had it for several years. So link the collagen down below too in case you're interested in trying it with me. Okay, first project of the day is we're going to go upstairs, and it's still pretty clean and tidy up here, but I really just want to get the Christmas or like winter decorations put up and then roll this rug back out, just kind of tidy up here and make a new clean space because we've been working out up here every day for over a week and it is so nice. So I just wanted to kind of tidy up the space, take down the winter stuff, and just have a fresh space to work with for the new year and just kind of a clean space to look at as we're up here working out. So this little area looked kind of messy to me, so I found this basket and I decided to put like this treadmill manual and the oils for it and then some of my bands and weights in this basket, and it just kind of holds it all but makes it look a little bit better and less like junky over here in this corner. Not that it really matters because it's just Drew and I that go up here, but I like looking at like organized spaces. So I love this little area, how it turned out. Let me know in the comments down below, did you start like a New Year's resolution, or I don't know. I don't really like to call it a New Year's resolution because I don't do it throughout the whole year. But the beginning of the year, I do like to start working out and getting healthier and kind of losing the holiday weight. And it just makes me feel good. Like in January, it's so cold. There's nothing to do really in January, February outside. And I love being outside. And so going to the gym, or now that I have this space up here, it just gets me moving and just helps me be in a better mood and helps my day be actually more productive whenever I get up and do a workout. So I want to thank, again, I've talked with y'all about this treadmill before, but I have loved it and enjoyed it so much. So thank you, Costway, for sponsoring today's video. Before we get started on working out, I like to fill up my diffuser, and I like to use a citrus oil because it really helps to just wake me up, and it smells so good up here. And then I like to turn on my YouTube videos. So I love watching my friends on YouTube, and I've decided to start watching them, saving them and watching them up here while I'm working out. So it gives me something fun to do and watch as I'm on the treadmill. So this treadmill is amazing. It is touchscreen. It has Bluetooth, and then it has all these different settings. There's actually a manual that it comes with where there's an app you can download, and it helps give you workout ideas. And I love doing the incline, so you can change the incline on this treadmill, and I turn mine up to 10, and I'll walk on it for different intervals at different speeds, and it really does give me a good workout. Like the back of my legs, my booty is so sore from doing this incline. I'll be sure to link this treadmill down below. It's actually really affordable for how nice that it is. So thank you so much, Costway, for sponsoring today's video and helping me get back into shape for the new year. Upstairs is done and refreshed. And then also I wanted to tell y'all, like I told y'all in my last video, I have still been going strong and making sure on my videos that I watch as I'm working out, whenever I get through, I pull up their videos on my phone and make sure to give them a like and a comment, because I know that that's a free way that I can help support their channel, and I know that they're so appreciative of it. And I know if I'm going to be asking y'all to do that for me, then I definitely need to be doing and giving that same love and support to my friends that I love watching. So here's the refresh. And there's also a bathroom up here. You've probably seen it before, but if you're new, we do have a little half bath up here, which is really nice, because if I'm up here working out and had too much water to drink, it's really nice to have a toilet up here. So now we're just gonna refill my water for the day with my Berkey, and then also use some Young Living Vitality drops. I like to use the ones that have electrolytes in them. They have 4 different flavors. 2 of them have electrolytes and 2 of them have natural energy in them. And I love the taste of every single one of these. I know some of my friends don't love all the flavors, but I personally love all 4 of them equally as much. Also with my breakfast, I make sure to take my vitamins. So I like to take Super C, which is really good immune health support. I like to take vitamin D, which is really good for bone growth and immune support and healthy muscles. And then Super B, which is really good for natural energy. And the Nitra Red, which I've talked with y'all about before. So this is just something I wanted to share with y'all. This has like been my New Year refresh. Moving on to the next project, which is painting. So we actually painted my mom's little cabinet hutch that we've talked about painting for a few years now, I feel like, and it turned out beautiful. And we used this Waverly chalk paint from Walmart, and we love it. It is our new favorite. And so Mom, for her birthday, wanted all of us to come over and help her paint this big piece, and we did. And we're still not completely finished, but it was a huge start, and she just has to put the wax on it, and I think she's going to add the doors back, and it'll be ready to go. And my grandma helped in a big way by keeping Alyssa Bug occupied as we painted, because she wanted to help paint, and we just did not think that was a good idea for her to get a hold of some black paint. So y'all be sure to tell my mom happy birthday down below, and let us know if you love her new piece, and we'll be sure to go to Mom's house and maybe do like a spring home tour if y'all want to see that. Grandma, are you enjoying your time?
Yes, I am.
So now we're going to start our project with this Waverly chalk paint, and this is the piece that I've been wanting to paint, and I found this picture off of Pinterest and I just loved it. And so we're going to give this a new refresh for the new year. So we're going to take everything out of it and off of it, and then we're going to use a hot rag just to wash it down. The good thing with this paint is you don't have to sand down anything, and you really can just use a hot cloth to just wipe down to get the dust off, and then you're ready to start painting. So it's really easy. So I decided to do the inside white first so that could be drying, and I did have to do 2 coats, but it goes on so smooth. And then I didn't do a full painting video because I feel like that's boring to watch, so I just got little clips of like the process and the after. And as we're painting on the black, I did want to talk to y'all about the post that I made on my community tab about a tornado that came through a community close to us last week. Drew is actually a lineman, my husband, and so he had to work it, and it was just devastating at the stories that he told me, the things I was seeing circulating around on the news and Facebook. This community lost a lot of homes and several lives, and so I'm actually going to link ways to give to that community down below. They are very trustful resources. One is from a local police officer. Y'all know him, the Clack Shack. He shared it on his page, and so I used that, and I wanted to share it with y'all because, like I said, these families lost a lot, and it was just heartbreaking, and I just wanted to use my little way of talking with people around the world. Thousands of y'all watch my videos, and I just thought maybe if there was some way that in your hearts you felt like donating to help support these families that lost everything. Some have lost family members. I just thought that I wanted to share it here in case anybody wanted to help give to that. And then also there was a man that I believe was a lineman, because it said he was helping restore power, and he was married and had 4 beautiful children, and he lost his life trying to help. And it just broke my heart, especially with my husband being a lineman and how dangerous I know that job can be, to know that that family lost someone that was trying to help out the people in the community that had lost a lot. And so I'm going to link a GoFundMe page for him down below too. So the first one is like a link that's going to help support the overall damage, and then the second one is to the lineman's family. I know that these people would very appreciate either the donations or lots of prayers. We are done. So I did apply 2 coats, and then I'm gonna have to apply that wax, but I was gonna wait and do it the next day because it needs to set and really dry. I did want to get some like rub and buff to go over these handles or the hardware, but I feel like it looks good. I kind of like how it kind of looks rustic. So now we're just going to go back and put the decorations in. I actually did it just like I had it before because I really liked that. And then another thing that I don't love about it, but it's okay, is around the glass. It was really hard to try to get the black paint into the grooves. This is an old piece, but I was like, it's okay, it gives it character. So it's not like perfect and flawless, but man, I love how it turned out. So y'all have to let me know what you think. Did you like the before or the after? So that is going to be all for today's video. I hope that y'all liked the little projects that we did and kind of my New Year's reset and what I've been doing. Like I said, we've had a lot of heartache the past couple of weeks, a lot of stuff going on, and I was kind of taking a break from YouTube, but we're going to be having lots of fun stuff coming up. We're going to be gearing right into Valentine's Day pretty soon, and I'm happy to have this little piece checked off the list. I hope that if y'all love this video, y'all will give this video a thumbs up and comment down below, and I will see you guys on the very next one. Don't forget to subscribe, and God bless. Bye, y'all.